I got it on Marketplace for $100. Welding that to here. Boom, on top. Those are cut to length. I will slip them in here like that. Weld them in. Boom. Notch it. Made 2 notches here. I'm gonna bend it this way. Come up 35 inches and 36 inches. We'll see what it does. Old wheel, new wheel. Got it all wired up through the tubing, primed. Got some new springs. Forgot I even ordered this. Yep.